All right, y'all, we're gonna start with a cup of peanut butter and a stick of butter that I melted together in the microwave for 30-minute increments. You wanna get those stirred up. Actually, let's get our spatula out. So we've got our peanut butter and our butter all stirred together and melted. Once you have it stirred together, you're gonna add in about 8 sheets of graham crackers that we put in there. Get that mixed in there together. What I did is I threw the sheets in a food processor to get it nice and crumbly. You're also going to want to add in a cup of powdered sugar as well. So get that nice and mixed together. We're creating our base here. As you can see, I switched to another bowl because I foolishly started with a bowl too small. All right, now that we got that nice stirred together, we have an 8x8 baking dish that we put parchment paper down on. We're gonna put this down on the bottom of that because this is gonna be our base. Okay, we got all that in there. Go ahead and just spread it evenly over the bottom. Can you see that? Got that nice covered. We're gonna take what's left of this peanut butter here, which is about 2 to 3 tablespoons worth. Throw it in a bowl. And then we're gonna take some dark chocolate. We're gonna put 1.5 cups. There we go. Then we're gonna microwave this at 30-second increments until we got it nice and melted together. All right, now that we got that melted, let's get it mixed together. So let's take our melted chocolate layer, top of our peanut butter. Ooh, that's like so satisfying to watch. All right. So go ahead and get that chocolate layer spread over the top. Okay, now that we have the chocolate nice and even over the top there, the star of the show, we're gonna take our mini pretzels and just form rows here on top of it. Our final pretzel down. Okay, y'all, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Then we're gonna come back, cut it into slices and try it. All right, y'all, we've had it in there for a couple hours. So once you've had it in there for a couple hours, we're ready to eat this thing. Go ahead and take the parchment paper. You can take it out of the container. Pull those edges back.
Yeah.
And then take a knife. Gently try to cut through. I think we're gonna have my 9-month pregnant wife try this because she's really who I'm trying to please here. Here she comes.
What'd you make?
You ready to give it a try?
Yeah.
Why don't you try that one?
Ooh, it's like
Yeah.
good and soft at the bottom.
Let me get a look at that. Can you turn it up? Yeah. So demanding. Yum.
Yeah, don't yell at me. Oh, that
All
bottom
right,
half is
moment of truth. You really like it, I can tell. Because I can tell when you really don't. What do you think?
It's delicious. The chocolate is cooked. Or not cooked, but it's like cold, but it's not too cold in your teeth. It's a good combo of this nut butter.
What do you think about the dark chocolate? Do you think it'd be better with milk chocolate or dark?
Is that what it is? Dark?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm a fan of dark. I think it's great.
You heard it here, folks. Baby girl's gonna like it too, I think.